Here, not so much as an unboxing, because I've been using the thing. It's more of a let you know what it is and what a joy it is to use. She's a beauty, a bonny, and a joy to beholders. AVE says. What we have here is a Bosch GWS 18VSC. Variable speed. Anyone that's used a wire wheel with an angle grinder, you get sick of having the wire bits come off in your face. Believe me. Speed 1 for that. Speed 2 for flap discs. Beautiful. Speed 3. Quiet too. Nearly got a Makita one, but Makita don't do an 8 amp hour in 18 volt anymore. Yeah. They changing platforms, and they're not backwards compatible. As you can see, I use it. Makita also have a smaller handle. See, I put a Metabo one in. The vibration control. Metabo aren't what they used to be either. Yeah, made in Germany. Beautiful. Oh, little details like this too. One of the best locking wheel I've ever seen. Thin O-ring there. Eat my words, one-handed. You can lift the little tab up if you need to. Generally you don't. And this little button here with an O-ring. No, can't do it. Not used to doing it. Yeah, there you go. Let me know what you think.